everybody, and welcome to my first Teaching Tuesday of 2023. I hope you all had a lovely holiday season and that the new year is off to a good start for you. I'm getting ready to teach my first ukulele for beginners class since the before times that I've taught. I'll be teaching it live in person at Artichoke Music here in Portland, Oregon. If you're around in the area, I would love to have you, especially if you are a brand new beginner or you're just feeling really rusty and want to get back to basics with some strong guidance and a fun group of folks. If you are not in Portland but are still very interested in joining an online cohort of learners, I'm going to include a link to a very brief survey I have about just some time availability so I can figure out the best time to offer a class. I'd love to do that, probably starting next month in February. So feel free to check that out. But as far as this week goes and videos for this channel, while I was looking back through my materials and wanting to revamp my beginner's curriculum, I found this set of videos from an Ukulele by Ear online course that I created several years ago now. And I thought, even though I'm going to be changing some things in my beginner's curriculum, I think these videos are still worth your time, and especially for those, regardless of whether you're a brand new beginning player or somebody who has lots of experience under their belt, anybody who's really starting to open their ears for the first time, hear those patterns that we use to help organize a song in our minds, and has the goal this year of maybe not playing so much from the paper in front of us, but really playing by ear as much as we can. This set of videos I think is going to be very helpful. And so I'm going to be posting them to the playlist Ukulele by Ear for Beginners this week. There's a songbook that goes along with it. You can download that at my website, averyhill.studio/shop. It's just a product there. It's free to download. You just have to go through the process of getting it there. And I really encourage you to follow along and give me some feedback. Like I said, I'm revamping this curriculum, so I would love to know if this feels like good material to start with, what feels good about it, what's maybe missing for you. Totally open to that. Really appreciate you participating. What was the last thing I was going to say about that? I think that's it, looking through my list here. So I am going to let Avery of the Before Times take it from here. You'll notice her hair is a little longer. I think maybe her eyes are not quite so bloodshot, and she's definitely not as tired, but I think she'll take good care of you through this beginning set of videos. And just keep an eye on your email, because I'll be posting new videos from this series up each day. And again, you can follow along on that songbook, which you can download at averyhill.studio/shop. Oh, and while you're there, that's the last thing I wanted to mention. While you're there at my website, feel free to sign up for my newsletter if you haven't. I only send it out once, maybe twice a month, just to let you know what's coming up, and definitely get on there so you can join us for our monthly jams. We had a really fun one last Saturday. I'd love to welcome you to the next one. All right, take it away. Enjoy. Hello and welcome to Ukulele by Ear. My name is Avery Hill, and I'm very excited to have you with me here in this course. This is one of my favorite things to teach in music. I've designed this course to help you build the skills that you will need to memorize songs that you already know how to play, to learn new songs by ear, and to generally further your development as a musician. Thank you so much for joining me. Enjoy your learning experience of Ukulele by Ear. I'd like to start by introducing the big idea of this course up front, right from the very beginning. And that is this: songs are patterns. Songs are made of various elements that repeat. Think of your favorite songs, especially the ones that you love to sing with your friends, right? Think of the choruses where you're all singing the same lyrics, the same melody, playing the same chords. Even the verses, they may change lyrics from verse to verse, but you're still singing the same melody, still playing the same chords behind them. Songs are patterns and made of elements that repeat over and over. This is no mistake. The oral tradition of folk music is built on patterns, the patterns of these songs that have been passed on generation after generation that we still sing today. That wouldn't have been possible without the patterns of chords, melodies, rhythm, and lyrics. Songs are patterns. The more you can think about songs as patterns and play songs as patterns, the better you'll be able at memorizing these songs, learning new songs by ear, and becoming a more well-rounded, more intuitive musician. And that is my goal for you in this course, that you can deepen your ear, deepen your musical understanding, and start to hear songs and play songs with a deeper level of awareness. So let's dive in.